Welcome to the U.S. Department of Labor's Introduction to Results-Based Management Self-Paced Training course. This is the first of 6 courses in the Bureau of International Labor Affairs M&E Concept Training Series. These courses are designed to help grantees learn and understand the key monitoring and evaluation concepts, tools, and procedures that organizations are expected to use when managing an iLab-funded project. In addition to the Introduction to Results-Based Management course that you are taking now, the other courses in the series include Designing Results Frameworks, Designing and Defining Performance Indicators, Developing Data Collection Tools, Setting Baseline Values and Indicator Targets, and Using Data for Project Improvement. The objective for today's trainings are to increase participants' understanding of the key elements of a results-based management system and the purpose and core components of iLab's CMEP tool, which is required of all iLab-funded projects. Today's course will be about 65 minutes long and cover the following topics: the purpose and benefits of results-based management, the 6 steps to develop and use an RBM approach, and an overview of a CMEP. We begin with the general introduction to results-based management. What is results-based management? RBM is a management approach that brings results to the center of the planning and decision-making process. RBM focuses on results, not just on project activities, to increase the likelihood of achieving the project's objective. RBM lays out a process and a set of tools that helps projects monitor and manage the implementation of their strategy. This includes the development of a theory of change, indicators, and a performance monitoring plan. All of these components will be explained in more detail in other courses in the M&E Concept series. The RBM systems helps maintain evidence through the collection of data that is aligned with the project strategy to inform decision-making. There are many benefits to using RBM. Some of the key benefits include enhancing the planning process by putting a focus on results and the cause and effect linkages, building consensus and ownership by creating a shared understanding of the strategy and plan for how success will be measured and achieved, improving communication about the project's intent and content to internal and external stakeholders, and improving management and reporting capabilities that enable data-driven decision-making. On the next few slides, we will discuss each of these benefits in more detail. RBM provides a planning framework that facilitates focused planning on project results from the design phase. This process allows you to align project objectives with the desired results to ensure that all the results will be supported throughout the plant programming and can be achieved. RBM also uses the cause and effect linkages between the activities and results to guide the development of a feasible and measurable strategy. RBM creates a shared understanding among different stakeholders through a documented strategy and plan on how success is to be achieved and measured. The tools outline the specific results, indicators, activities, and role of partners, which can be used to build consensus and ownership within the project, as well as with DOL and external stakeholders. RBM also supports effective and efficient communication through the use of key tools, for example, the results framework and indicators, which convey the project's intent and content to internal and external stakeholders. The use of these tools provides important information and data which can be used for communication with the project and externally. RBM also improves understanding of progress within the context of the strategy by tracking progress towards each result to inform decision-making. It allows for evidence-based adjustments to implementation or strategy, as necessary, through the regular reviews of the standardized reported data that is aligned with this strategy. Now let's take a look at the 6-step process. The first step in the RBM cycle is to define results through the development of a results framework. In the second stage, we develop performance indicators to help measure those results. In the third stage, we developed a performance monitoring plan to document how data will be collected, by whom, and in what frequency. During implementation in step 4, we collect performance data to assess performance. Step 5 involves the analysis of that data. And step 6 is the use of that information, that evidence, to make informed management decisions. One of the key parts of the results-based management process is the feedback loop. Any learning and decisions from step 6 should be incorporated and used to revisit and refine the project results as needed, the indicators, and the overall approach. The process along with each of these steps will be explained in more detail in the next set of slides.